Hello everyone and welcome to a new update video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Today I made a little bit longer video in the morning and it is a deep analysis, and I think I'm gonna do these videos every Sunday. And these videos goes much more deeper into the different indicators and signals during the price action of the week of Bitcoin. And also we're gonna talk about the psychology and of course some Elliott Wave analysis. So this deep analysis is gonna be once every weekend, right, on Sundays basically. Also these type of videos that you see right now is gonna be an intraday videos, which it happens mostly after or in the mid of the day or after almost the end of the day, right? So to see what happened, what to see, or what are the prices for the next day. So these intraday analysis is gonna be based only on 1 hour and 15-minute chart always. All right, we're gonna see this once every day after or in the mid of the day. Okay. All right. So what we have on the 1 hour chart. So I spoke today in the video where this pattern that is forming here is still not so clear. Yeah, it's a mess up here after the Trump speech here, there, yesterday night, and so on. We saw some volatility and it was not really so much clearer. But now, after a few candles has formed, we have started to see a little bit clearer what's going on, right? So what it could happen is we have two scenarios still here. Of course, we are still looking if we have topped there, right? With our fifth waves where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for teal, finishing also the main impulse in green for a wave 5, as well finishing a wave 1 in white, which is the biggest impulse coming in the next months, right? So for that point, we are still looking if we really top there, all right, if we really finish those 3 waves there. And what's going on here to read this on the 1 hour, I can see clearly that we have a move towards the downside, which can be labeled, of course, as wave A or 1, right? Because if we have a wave 1, all right, we want to see also kind of a correction after it with 3 waves. Now, if that is the first wave, second wave, and third wave, we are expecting then that this wave goes again down and I mean up, and it might even reach again the 886, and also it might be goes higher. That means we might see actually a flat here, an expanded flat, right? And why I'm saying this, because now if we move to the 15-minute, more deeper in that price action, what I see here, actually this can be counted only as 3 waves, right? And if that is 3 waves flat, we are looking for 3 wave as B. However, we cannot find it here. And it's a 15-minute chart, so I need to see clear 3 waves up, and cannot really see it yet. So what I'm thinking here, I think, all right, it's just a possibility, of course, guys. Yeah, so this could be 1 and 2 and then 3. Okay, so A, B also, and then C, 1, 2, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and here finishing then the wave B. Okay, so wave A would be here, right? We have A with 3 waves, then we get a B again with 3 waves, right? 1, 2, and 3, and then we have to see after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a very sharp and fast downside trend. Okay, so this what could happen. Basically, this is a correction. Okay, this is a correction, and I think like 80% we have topped. Okay, this is 5 and this is 1, right? So even if we go higher to these are labeled as A, B, and C, all right, towards the downside. But it could be a expanded flat. An expanded flat for wave B, remember that it can always overshoot, yeah, over the start of that flat. And it can overshoot towards even the 70,470, okay, the 1.38 level, or 1.236, and even it can just stop at 1.0.5, which is 69,570. So start to expect some resistance already from there, okay. We already have also in our support and resistance is a very strong resistance here, so yeah, be aware about with it. Also, we have yeah, some fib levels to watch here. Okay, in that case, what we are looking for, if that happens, all right, if we reach the wave B, all right, and let's say on the common area around 1.23, which is the most common actually. We are expecting a expanding flat wave C to be over there to 65,600. So it's gonna be a little bit, yeah, fast impulse, right? It's gonna be very impulsive and very fast. Normally, the C, the expanded diagonal flat for a wave C, is very fast and sharp, right? So this scenario, which is like a bullish slash bearish, right, short term. So I don't know if it works, right? I don't know if that works to trade. So of course it depends on you again. However, we start to see a formation of 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, okay, and then yeah, we might see a very sharp correction. I mean sharp C. So this whole thing is still a correction or a start of the correction. We might get a reply after all with 3 waves, and then again another impulse reaching the wave 2 as we mentioned right today in our video. So that is yeah, if you are still looking, if you are still a little bit bullish and looking for a higher high, then this here, this is your, it might be an opportunity, okay, but for me, I'm not interested, to be honest. I'm already done here. I'm just looking for a downside now. This is what Elliott Wave suggests now, all right. So that was it. These are the updates. There is nothing to add more today. It's a little bit, of course, boring and everything, but okay, we got a little bit clearer pattern, so that's why I wanted to share it with you. Please, I would like to ask you to like the videos and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. If you like what I present here, please press the like button. That would help and support the channel and support me to continue with the channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a nice eve for the weekend and a nice start for the weekday tomorrow, Monday. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.